Hello, I'm Rita. In this video, I will show you how elDoc work for KYC. KYC means know your customers. Banks do it. So the insurers, assets and wealth managers, securities brokers, lenders, and fintech firms. In almost every regulated financial institution, this process is quite slow. The slow part is usually not the decision. The slow part is everything that happens to documents before the decision. On this slide, you can see the ideas in one picture. Every document the customer sends goes into one automated channel. It is classified, extracted, validated, and cross-checked. What comes out is a decision-ready KYC file. We will look at the workflow, the platform, and Secure Agentic RAG. The KYC challenge. Let us start with the problem today. It's the same four things in almost every financial institution. First, every format arrived: scanned photos, PDF files, and email attachments from branches, from agents, and relationship managers, and from customers directly. Sorting is manual. Documents are separated, indexed, and typed in again by hand. And all of this happens before the review even begins. Third, checks depends on memory. To compare a name or an address, the reviewer has to hold every document in their head at the same time. 4. Effort scales with volume. More customers means proportionally more reviewer hours. You can see that in the chart. With manual onboarding, reviewer hours rise in a straight line with volume. With elDoc, the same goal costs much less time. This is the elDoc workflow. The document to the decision. Let's follow it from left to right. Step 1. Intake. Documents arrive from any channel, branch, relationship manager, portal, or email. Step 2. Classify. elDoc recognizes document type and applies the correct rules. Nobody sort anything by hand. Step 3. Extract. The platform takes out the data you need: identification data, KYC data, financial and ownership data. The output is structured. Step 4. Validate. Let's cross-check the data, pulls the documents, and flag gaps the information that does not match. Step 5. Review. Only exceptional cases goes to the client's reviewer. The reviewer confirms and the file returns to the workflow. Step 6. Verify. KYC and risk. Screen inputs are ready, and clean files pass straight through. Step 7. Delivery. The final data goes to your core system. For banking or policy administration, CRM, case management, nobody types it again. And across the whole workflow, there are audit trails, access control, end-to-end traceability, and securities and AI governance. elDoc is document-agnostic. It is not built upon one single form. On the left, you see the documents in the normal KYC file: passport and identity card, utility bills and bank register, registry documents, shareholders register, and board resolutions, bank statement, financial statements, and form and declaration. elDoc identifies them, classifies them, and read them according to the instructions you give it. You write those instructions as AI prompt, so what the AI looks will stay in the hands of your business team. It also handles massive input, mass batches, photographs, code scans, and PDFs, several documents inside. Nobody has to sort them first. And it is the same platform for individual KYC, public onboarding, periodic review, credit review, and underwriting. Now, what a financial institution needs before it automates everything? There are 4 things, and I will take them one at a time. Volume, reliability, control, and assurance. First, volume. elDoc is built for enterprise scale, from hundreds of documents to several thousand a day and up to millions in straight-through processing. It is deployed across multiple nodes, and it's scaled up and out. The architecture is built to absorb load in volume. Second, reliability. No document is lost. The platform is designed for transactional reliability, even at millions of documents. This point matters. Many tools work well with small volumes. They struggle when the volume grows, and this is exactly where enterprise projects are designed. Third, control. Access and audit trails. Access to documents, to extract the data, and to review action is controlled by role, and every relevant activity is logged. What was ingested, what was extracted, what was changed, by whom and when. 4. Assurance. Secure AI governance. Prompts, model behavior, and outputs all sit under governance, so every conclusion can be traced back to the document and to the field that produced it. Now, this part is a bit more interesting. Secure Agentic RAG. elDoc's Gen AI document processing module shipped with it. It is included from day one. It is not sold as a later add-on. And here is what is changed. Instead of reading each document on its own, elDoc analyzes information across many documents at the same time. It understands the relationships between them. And it helps you find risk and consistency and information hidden deep inside a large volume of documentation. So you are not only processing documents, you can question them. Let me show you this in 2 layers. Layer 1 is process and extract. Every document is classified. The data you need is extracted and validated into a structured output that is ready for your downstream systems. Most document tools do this part. Layer 2 is search, understand, and analyze. Here the whole files become searchable and analyzable as one thing. Relationships between people and companies, contradictions between documents, hidden reads, and gaps where something is missing. And this is the differences. Those tools stop at extraction. You get the data, but the thinking is still yours to do. elDoc deliver extraction and Secure Agentic RAG together from day one. So the data that has been sitting silent in your archive becomes something you can actually use. So in short, elDoc takes every KYC documents in any format and turns it into structured and validated data that your system can use. And with Secure Agentic RAG, the whole file becomes something you can search, analyze, and question. In the next video, I will take the 8 KYC use case one at a time. For each one, I will show you the problem today, what elDoc does, a worked example, and the value it leaves behind. Please stay tuned for the comic one.